my channel. So we just got back from HEB. We did a little grocery shopping, as you can see. I'm going to do a quick grocery haul, and then later in the video I'm going to be doing a meal idea. We're gonna be cooking tonight and probably, you know, showing you me cleaning up the kitchen and all that fun stuff. So I'm gonna go through everything we got. This all totaled up to $79, and that was with coupons, so I think it was a pretty good deal. First thing we got here is the Whataburger or Whataburger Fancy Ketchup. This was actually buy one, get one free, and we got a regular ketchup and the spicy ketchup. I personally prefer the regular Whataburger ketchup, and Alan loves the spicy. If you've ever had Whataburger ketchup, leave a comment down below and tell me which one you like the best, regular or spicy. Next up, I got some yellow mustard from Heinz, and they actually had a deal going on where if you bought the mustard, you got the hamburger buns for free, and we are gonna be making some burgers, so it was a win-win. So yeah, I got these HEB brand hamburger buns and the Heinz yellow mustard. Next up, we got this watermelon here. This is a seedless watermelon, and it is a quarter, and it was $1.85, so we got this to snack on, and it smells amazing. I also picked up the Greek Gods Greek yogurt with the honey. So remember I showed you this the other day, and I got the HEB brand that I was wondering if it was gonna be comparable. So it actually was really good, but if you've ever tasted the honey that's in the little bear, you know, the little honey bear, and then tasted like an actual raw local honey, that raw local honey is very strong and probably more natural than the little honey bear. So the HEB one had that raw, strong honey flavor, while this one is so much more mild and there's more vanilla flavor in this. So I actually like the Greek Gods better, but the HEB one was really good. I ate the entire thing, but I still think this one is my favorite. Next up, we got a jar of Libby's crispy sauerkraut. We're going to be using this on our meal tonight, and also like on some hot dogs or sausage, whatever. We love sauerkraut. I also got some hot dog buns because we did get some hot dogs. And here they are. We got the HEB brand Texas Heritage beef hot dogs. Also got some Johnsonville smoked brats and some already cut up onions. Figured it would be easier than chopping up that onion and that onion making me cry. We bought it already chopped up. Also got some of this whole grain 12 grain bread. Also got some unsweetened frozen fruit. This is mango, papaya, and strawberries. Alan has went crazy over these little smoothie things. This is actually Jamba Juice brand. We found it in the freezer section. It's at home smoothies. You just add juice. And this is the Orange Dream Machine. It's peaches, orange, and vanilla non-fat yogurt. It's an antioxidant boost with an excellent source of vitamin C, and you just throw it in the blender with a little bit of apple juice, and it's amazing. They had a 2 for $5 deal, so we got 4. I got some avocados because I love avocados, and avocado toast is amazing. Also got some canned chicken breast. This is the HEB brand, low sodium chicken breast for some, you know, chicken salad sandwiches. We also picked up some chips. This is the HEB brand. We got one that is jalapeno queso, and the other one is original potato chips. We also got some ground chuck beef patties for some cheeseburgers and whatnot. We also got another Caesar salad kit. These are just so good. You guys need to try them and just eat it because it's delicious. And we also got some shredded lettuce. Picked up another box of the Vans gluten-free Perfect 10. These are just so delicious. I could eat the whole box in one sitting. We also got some stone ground Dijon mustard and some Swiss cheese for what we're going to be making later. I picked up some more K-Cups. This is the medium roast Hill Country Fair brand. We also got a bag of oranges because we are on a fruit water kick. And you already know Alan had to have some more Cokes. So another thing we picked up is this HEB brand sparkling water. I'm actually not even a fan of sparkling water, but my mom had these yesterday at her house and I tried one, and it was the best sparkling water I've ever had. This is coconut flavored, and there's no calories, no sugar, anything. It's only naturally flavored coconut sparkling water. So good. So if you have an HEB near you, pick some of these up and thank me later. They're amazing. So that was it for my grocery haul. I'm going to put these 3 items in their place And yeah, I will check in later when we're about to cook. All right, so tonight we are making German burgers. We actually got this idea from the Renaissance Festival. Not sure if there's any ingredients or things that I forgot, but this is pretty much all we could remember. These burgers are delicious, and you guys know normally I make my own hamburger patty mix and I add certain things, but we decided to just go with these already formed patties, and I'm just gonna season them. You can make these right at home on your stove, but we're gonna go ahead and use the grill. So all I'm doing is seasoning my patties with salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder. You know, my usual. I am also sauteing some onions. Alan wanted his chopped onions to be raw, but I want mine sauteed, so I have them in the pan behind me on the stove, and they're being sauteed in olive oil. Like I said, we're making these on the grill, but you can do them right at home on your stove. That's how I would normally make them. But since we have a grill now, we're gonna take advantage of it. Get these burger patties seasoned up. Get that good flavor going. Yeah, baby. So the burger consists of buns, but I'm pretty sure that the recipe might call for pretzel buns, possibly, but we're just gonna use regular hamburger buns. So you just put a hamburger patty, Swiss cheese, which I have in the icebox, I will get out, sauerkraut, and like I said, I'm gonna have sauteed onions, and Alan's having raw onions. I don't want the raw onions. So we're gonna make our burger patties out on the grill. We're gonna add the Swiss cheese out there, and then we're gonna come in and make our burgers, and yeah, let's go. So these are my little sauteed onions. In another pot, I'm gonna warm up my sauerkraut. I'm also gonna add a little bit of garlic, some pepper, and a little bit of butter. We got the meat out on the grill, and we just put the cheese on here. Ooh, and it's melting, it looks good. So I just put my buns in the pan here with some butter. Then we're gonna make our burgers and eat it up, girl. So this is what it looks like. I've got the mustard on one side, we've got the sauerkraut on top of the patty with the Swiss cheese, and underneath it is the sauteed onions. Alan is making his right now with the non-sauteed onions. I'm ready to dig in.
Wow.
Woo! This is delicious. I can't wait to hear what you think about it.
It tastes like Renaissance Festival.
That mustard's awesome.
Is it?
Do you like it? It's good, right? That sauerkraut just makes that. Bam, right?
Yeah.
This is delish.
Yeah.
So anyways, I'm finished with this video. I haven't showered or anything. I am looking a mess. And then we're also gonna be going live in a little bit. But I guess I'm just gonna have to be as is. But anyways, thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you enjoyed the grocery haul, the cooking, the meal idea, even though I really didn't actually cook, we grilled, but still. And the kitchen cleaning. Yeah, so tell me what you think about our German burgers, and are you gonna try them, because they are delicious. And if you have kids and your kids don't like sauerkraut, then you could just make them a regular cheeseburger, and then you or whoever else can have the sauerkraut and the onions on your burger. So it's a win-win. All right, I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and leave me some comments down below, and I'll see you next time. I think I just said that twice, but okay, bye.